Hi guys, I came across this cool product and I had to share with you all. So here it is. This is COOLBEDS Heatless Curler. I wanted to try this product ever since I saw it all over the internet. So this comes with a butterfly clip, 2 scrunchies and a headband. Now you just have to section your hair into 2 parts and dampen your hair using some water. Secure the headband using the butterfly clip, and now you just have to take some of your hair, wrap it around the headband. Keep adding more hair every time. That's the drill. It might look a little difficult, but it becomes seamless once you have gotten a hang of it. Secure the ends using the scrunchie. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. You just have to go over and under. You can tighten and loosen the curls depending on how you want it. Once you are done, you can leave them overnight and sleep with it, or you can just remove them after a few hours, whatever works for you. This hairstyle kind of reminds me of Jasmine. What do you think? So this is the next morning. I just couldn't sleep at all. This was so uncomfortable, but hopefully it was all worth it. Let's see the final result. Let's remove the headband and see if this worked out for good. My hair looks kind of shiny, though I haven't used any product, and look at those curls, they are so cute. Let's loosen these curls using fingers. I haven't used a comb since I wanted the curls to be pretty much intact, and this is how my hair looks. So perfect. I love the bounce. I never imagined this would look so good on me. This product really works, so let me know if you would try it, and don't forget to follow.